唔可以介紹下自己啊？
Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. How are you? I want to introduce myself. My name is Ayuni Lestari. Ma'am and sir can call me Ayu. I am 26 years old. I'm married. I'm Muslim. I have two children. One children boy 8 years old and children girl 5 years old. My height 159 cm. My weight 75 kg. I have experience work in Saudi Arabia 2 years, from 2022 until 2024. In my employer house, 6 people, ma'am, sir, 2 children, 15 years old and 10 years old, 1 baby, 5 months, and grandma, 18 years old, healthy. My job is take care children, baby, and grandma. Sweeping, mopping, cooking, ironing, wash clothes, and go to market. I can cook simple Chinese food. For example, steamed fish, steamed chicken, chicken porridge, vegetable soup, fried rice. I'm not afraid of dog. I'm not eat pork, but I can cook pork for ma'am and sir to eat. I want go to Hong Kong because I want earn more money for my family and my future. I promise I will be hard work, diligently, be patient, be honest, and I will follow employer instruction. I hope ma'am and sir willing to employing me in Hong Kong. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Hong Kong.
So you speak English, and are you learning Cantonese now?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, maybe can you try to introduce yourself in Cantonese? Let us know how much you have learned. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
用廣東話介紹下自己啊，唔該。
Yes. Dada先生你好嗎？我要介紹自己，我叫Ayuni Lestari。Dada先生可以叫我Ayu。我今年26歲，我結咗婚，我有一個仔8歲同埋一個女5歲。我159 cm。我175斤公斤。我已經做過喺阿拉法2年2022到2024年，喺老班澳嘅落個人，大大先生2個女15歲同埋10歲同埋 BB 5個月同埋寶寶80歲健康。我工作照顧小朋友、老人家 BB 10歲，最送買送用衫。洗衫自己屋企洗衣掃地抹地洗廁所。我識煮中國餸，好似番茄肉蛋、豆腐、蒸蝦、油菜。我唔識煮肉，但係我識煮肉俾大家先生食。我唔勁高，我唔勁啱。我想喺香港揾到啲認識我嘅人。同埋我自己，我會跟嚟做雷三雷七電話同埋阿妹博在。我希望大家先生會認我做嘢喺老闆屋企。唔該大家先生，最近係香港 ，thank you。
我想問下你驚唔驚狗？
我唔驚狗。
唔驚狗啊？我想問下照顧 BB 點樣沖奶俾 BB 飲啊？沖奶俾 BB 飲點沖啊
？BB 沖奶，洗手跟住抹乾，用擺嚟轉，消毒嚟轉，用擺嚟飛，用擺亂水。擺入海ในเป็นหายในจูนลินหาใส่สินหายใส่สินหาเสาสินมัน俾 BB ยำยุน順風
掃風。哦，唔使咁緊張 OK。你喺學校學咗嘢，你係咪學緊煮餸啊？學校
係。
你學咗啲咩嘢啊？識煮咩啊？
蒸魚、番茄肉蛋、整豆腐、蒸蝦。
好，唔該晒你，唔該晒，拜拜。
唔該晒。